Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My daddy already.
And we have Rio, of course, right here. Who is Rio? Who is Martin, huh? Oh, it's Black Panther. Black Panther, yeah. Okay. And of course, we're back again for another episode of unboxing and a quick review. So of course, today's episode, in today's unboxing, yeah, as you can see, it's already here, showing it to you. Of course, this is the, what is this, Martin?
Erik Killmonger.
Yes, Erik Killmonger.
I'm in my 471.
Yes, of course, by
Hottoys 1/6 scale collectible.
Yeah, Hottoys. Yeah, okay. Of course, finally, yeah. Of course, it's been out for almost like, I think, more than a week or 2 weeks. I think, forgot 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Again, it's been out for almost 3 weeks.
And we just got it now.
Yeah, and of course, finally, we got it. And just pick up, and of course we received the message to pick up. Let's take it out from the plastic and box. Okay, let's start. Oh yeah, we've been actually waiting for this one too, because to partner with our Black Panther
and
Shuri and T'Chaka. Yeah, of course we have the T'Chaka too, but I haven't opened that yet. Oh my God.
Yes, because I hear it.
Okay, so this is the box. You can see. I'm starting to open it. Yeah. Of course, the warning and their shops and some details, of course, of their stores. And then, of course, yeah, you can see the box is very nice, right? It's very nice. Of course, just like the Black Panther, but this one, of course, it's somehow has a touch of gold color. And some yellow and some orange, red, but yeah, it's very nice. I mean that slash, that glow, right? Okay.
Yes.
So let's open this first cover,
Why don't we do it?
showing it to you the cast and crew right here. And there you go.
There you go.
Yeah. First up, what is this, Martin?
The
Backdrop of Killmonger. Yeah.
Killmonger.
a portrait of himself.
Yes. So next up, the head sculpt.
Yes,
His head sculpt.
Yes, this thing.
Yes.
What kind of people is that?
Wow, look at that head
This
sculpt,
Black
guys.
Panther or Star Wars?
Erik Killmonger.
Yeah, Erik Killmonger
Monger.
portrayed by
Michael B. Jordan.
yes, Michael B. Jordan. Very nice, guys. What is that for you?
His sword.
Yeah,
sword.
sword. Yeah, we don't know what kind of sword is that, but then of course it's weapon. Okay, this one is a spear, like half a spear. And then how many hands?
3.
Yeah, 3 pairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, 3 pairs of hands, guys. So you can see right there. Open, and then holding the weapon. Yes. Okay, and then of course, extra joints right there.
And his
And then
main
I
weapon.
think, and then of course the body. Yeah, of course the figure. Yes.
Wow,
So
that's
there you go.
way
You
more
can see right
designs.
there. Wow.
He has so much more designs than Black Panther.
Yeah, he has more design. Actually, no, the Black Panther's also Black Panther also has the many design on his body, but it's hidden through that violet how do you call that,
Black light.
UV rays light thing. Take it out this one very quick, guys. So there's also some plastic on his wrist, on its wrist. So I just removed the plastic, and then of course his base. You can see right there, the base.
And there's the
Yes, there you go, guys.
Daddy.
You guys see it?
This one.
And there you go. So only 2 weapons. I think that's the main accessories,
Yeah,
and of course
because his weapon's already here.
yeah,
Because there's the weapon.
of course the head sculpt right here. Very nice one. So I think that's it. So that's all you can get from the box of this Killmonger from the Black Panther movie, right? Just a very quick review. Of course, I'm going to start from his head. Of course, the head. Wow, it's very nice, guys. It's, you know, the likeness of the head of this head sculpt to Michael B. Jordan is, yeah, it's very accurate. Yeah.
Yes, I forgot my
Yeah,
mind.
for me,
Yes, say the way.
yeah, it's very nice. I mean, like almost perfect. Maybe, of course, people will compare to some pictures, to some of his movie, or to some of his photo. Like, I mean, of course, it's not that easy. You get what you pay for with that 95% likeness of head sculpt, you know, to Michael B. Jordan, and of course together with that detailed body. For me, I'm satisfied, you know, for this one. I mean, the likeness, it really looks like him, you know. You know, maybe there are some features of his face that maybe it's not really matched, but then
Yes, here.
I mean, if you're really like watch him, I mean, in the movie, in the screen, the big screen, I mean, for me it's fine. It's already like
Tiny.
really perfect. Yeah, very accurate. Yeah.
Daddy,
And then of
Daddy.
course next is the, of course, the figure, of course the head sculpt, the mask of the Erik Killmonger. You can see right there. Of course the head sculpt is very nice, guys. I mean, and of course the color, right, gold color. And the details on his body,
It's
it's,
kind of like a leopard.
yeah, I think it is leopard. We just
Panther
think it's Black Panther too, but of course a different,
design.
yeah, color
Yeah, in
too.
the movie, sure, you make 3 designs. This is like
Yeah, but yeah, for me, I mean, like I can see the details. It's very nice.
Oh.
Yeah, it's very nice, guys. I mean,
and
I
the
can
eyes,
see,
Daddy, look.
yeah, the eyes from the
Yes,
mask.
the
yeah.
eyes in there.
So the details on its body, it's really, really nice. You know, I can really feel. It's like way better than Black Panther. Yeah.
But look at
The articulation. Let's move with the articulation. Yeah, I think it's very nice.
Yeah, but it kind of folds the costume.
Yeah. Wait. And then yeah, the articulation. The shoulder, yeah, of course, it's very limited because of its suit, because of the suit of this
Not a stretchy
Killmonger.
fabric.
Yeah, it's stretchable, but you can feel that the suit of this Killmonger is a bit rough, so it's not smooth. So there's a tendency that once you move its shoulder, somehow it will damage the suit. Yeah, maybe slowly. Maybe you can do it slowly when you move his arms. I mean the joints. Yeah, you can move it slowly. Don't rush it. Don't rush it when you're trying to move to do a pose for this one. Even the legs. Yeah, so it's very limited. You can move, but then it's very limited because of his suit. You know, you can feel that it might gonna damage a little bit. Yeah, the costume or his suit. But then the articulation, it's fine too. I mean, it's
Yeah.
same with Black Panther. You can see even the body arch, right? See, it's very flexible. Just yeah, of course we cannot twist. That's the a little bit, maybe a little bit twist. That's the only problem sometimes on this kind of suit. So yeah, because it's connected. Of course, it's like one whole piece, so that's why it's not easy to twist the body. But then overall, side, front, for the shoulder, I think it's fine. Just make it. You're just gonna do it like slowly, right?
Yes.
Even the legs, yeah, side. All right. Alright, but then again, overall, the detail is very nice, guys. Very nice, yeah.
Daddy.
So, just very quick one. Yeah, very nice details from me. Yes. How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
Okay, so they did a very good job trying to like put all the like Wakanda words on his like costume, and then those dots. They did so good on the like designs on it. They really did their best to like do it as accurate as they can. And the tooth, like real teeth, looks like a real teeth. Look, looks like a real teeth. And then you can see those designs like leopard.
Just go in.
Yeah, it's really nice. And the head sculpt, you can see over here, looks like a teeth roaring.
Yeah. Go knock.
Yeah. And it's very muscular.
Listen.
And his body is very muscular.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it, right? It's very nice. Yeah, it's a very nice figure, guys. I mean, if you have, I mean, if you're a fan of Marvel, Black Panther, and if you plan to add Killmonger, I mean, if you haven't pre-ordered yet, and then if you really like hesitate to get one, then yeah, I mean, like better to get one. Very nice, because not only like figure, but then the detail is very nice. I mean, of course, with this extra head sculpt, oh, it's like almost perfect. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, so let's try to change his head. So, trying to put his head, oh well, yeah, of course it's a mask. Yeah,
Yes.
I can feel, I can see that the head,
Yeah.
the joint to his head is a bit loose. I mean, I cannot really like. Let me try to push it again. Huh?
What kind of white cave?
Like it's easy to
Oh yes,
remove.
it's kind of thing in the house.
Let me try to push it more. So you have to really like push it harder. You have to push it harder so it will somehow attach to the joints of this body. I mean, to its neck. So yeah, I mean, if not, otherwise it's easy to take off. It's easy to take off somehow.
I have
And again, of course, you know, in the body, of course, it's usual for figure. Sometimes there are some small factory defect that, of course, that you might not notice. But that one just a small one, like, you know, sometimes it's not aligned, the design, it's not equal, you know, so it's normal. But then again, the one you pay for this one, of course, the details, the likeness, of course, the head sculpt, and at least you can move, you can pose him somehow like that, because of course that's why it's meaning you can at least you can move or you can do some poses, right? Yeah, so I think that's it. It's a very quick one. It's a very quick review. It's nice. It's a very nice figure, guys. So if you're a fan also of this Killmonger, of course, if you want to match it together with your Black Panther, better to get it or until it's not. I mean, the price is not rising up, or if you can still get a very cheap price, I mean like pre-order price, then get it. Yeah, it's a very nice figure one. So and then this is the weapon.
Yeah.
And then of course, yeah, of course there is a manual, but of course we always like that. We really didn't really open the manual. Okay, that's it. See you say bye bye now. What are you gonna say, Martin?
if you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell.
Yeah, don't forget to hit that notification button. Yeah.
Button.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.
Peace. Thank you so much.